That was a long day.
Yes, but the walk home is always my favorite.
Look at the forest. It feels so peaceful.
Bao, look, a baby elephant!
Wow, and its mother is right there.
They look so happy together. Bao, what's happening?
Those men, they're taking the mother.
We have to help, but we can't fight them back. Hey, don't be scared, we're here.
I'll bring you some water and food.
We won't leave you alone.
Here, eat this fruit.
See? It's starting to trust us.
We have to bring its mother back, no matter what.
Please, let the mother elephant go.
Not for free.
What do you want?
$100,000. Then leave. No money, no elephant.
I'll come back. I promise.
Take this money, please release her.
Fine, she's yours.
You're safe now. I'll take you back.
We're free! Let's go home! You're the best elephant ever!
Watch out for that vine!
We're almost there!
They found each other!
This was all worth it.
Look how happy they are.